Hello friends, myself Ritesh Kumar Kal. Welcome all of you viewers in my YouTube channel Ritesh Vidyasram. Like previous video, hopefully you will take interest in this video also. Here today I am introducing myself with electric motor. Friends, we will learn in this video that what is the principle of working of an electric motor, how is it constructed in traditional way, and what is the working principle. Okay, so let's start. Electric motor. What is electric motor? This is an electronic device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. You know very well that an electric motor used in your house to pull out the water and store it on syntax, and the motor also installed inside the electric fan. The basic and traditional construction of electric motor can be illustrated such a manner that I am going to explain. Before going with the construction of and working of an electric motor, we should have some idea about the principle, how the motor works. We know that when a current carrying conductor is brought within a magnetic field, when it is brought, it experiences force, because a current carrying solenoid also behaves like a bar magnet. Okay, you know very well. When the collapsing of these two magnetic forces occurs, the force is executed on the coil, and since the two ends of the coil are fixed and make it to rotate about its axis, such a manner they are fixed that only they can rotate about its axis. Here, now let's focus on the construction method. A rectangular coil called armature. This is armature. This is rectangular in shape. I have mentioned here by pointing their name, labeling their name. Okay. It adjusted between two huge U-shaped magnets. It is so adjusted between two U-shaped magnets that it will make only rotation about its axis. Axis is passing across the coil. Okay. Now about its axis, the two ends of the armature is joined with the two half commutator rings. The two ends, this and this, both are connected with two half commutator rings. Okay, and these commutator rings are further attached with the what? Brass brushes. Okay, brass or carbon brushes, and the brass brushes are already connected with an electric circuit consisting of a battery, key, etc. Okay, here the construction of electric motor is written in text form. Okay, you can write it. Principle: when a current carrying conductor is brought within a magnetic field, it experiences force which causes motion in it. Very clearly you can see. I have also mentioned you before that that when a current carrying coil is brought within the magnetic field, it experiences some force. Okay, so now we will study about the working, how it works with the help of a battery. This is battery, or any other source. As soon as current is allowed through the coil, जैसे ही करंट को आप इस coil से अलाउ करेंगे, जैसे क्या होगा कि इसमें एक रोटेशन शुरू हो जाएगा. आप जानते हैं फ्लेमिंग का लेफ्ट हैंड रूल इस पर अप्लाई होगा. क्यों होगा? क्योंकि फ्लेमिंग के लेफ्ट हैंड रूल पर ही जो है आप ये डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट कर पाते हैं, ये डिटरमाइन कर पाते हैं कि उसका मोशन जो है, कॉइल का मोशन तो होगा, उसमें मोशन तो प्रोड्यूस होगी, लेकिन वो डायरेक्शन क्या टेक ओवर करेगा, तो ये चीज़ जो है आपको इलस्ट्रेट होता है इसी से, लेफ्ट हैंड रूल से। व्हाट इज द लेफ्ट हैंड रूल? Fleming's left hand rule says that if we stretch our left hand's forefinger, middle finger and thumb such a manner that they are mutually perpendicular, and forefinger will point the direction of magnetic field line, and this one is means middle finger will point the direction of current, then thumb will point the direction of motion or force experiences. Okay, by applying this law, we can see that the arm AB through which the current is going upward will experience downward movement. Okay, that will be into the plane, and the arm CD through which the current is coming down means it will experience upward force, and as soon as the terminals of the coil are changed, now the CD is connected with positive terminal and AB will be connected with negative terminal. So it will experience now downward movement, and it will experience means AB will experience in further step upward motion. Okay, so overall we can see that a complete rotation motion in one direction, only one direction. Okay, clockwise or anti-clockwise as per our arrangement. ओके, जो हमारा अरेंजमेंट है उसके हिसाब से क्लॉकवाइज या एंटी क्लॉकवाइज उसका रोटेशन होगा, और ये कंप्लीट रोटेशन जो है इनेबल्स, वही यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है, पूरा चीज़ मैंने अच्छे से यहाँ इलस्ट्रेट कर दिया है। इसको एक बार पढ़ करके आपको सुना देते ताकि कोई फॉन्ट में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो सुनने में। With the help of battery or source, as soon as current is allowed through the coil, it turns into magnet temporarily, so it experiences force, as I have mentioned already before, which makes it to rotate about its axis. उसको रोटेट होने के लिए मजबूर करता है एक्सिस के about, उसके चारों तरफ। The direction of the rotation is determined by using Fleming's left hand rule. I have also already mentioned it. By Fleming's left hand rule we can determine the direction of rotation of the coil. Okay, the arm through which current goes upward means arm AB here, at present AB carrying upward direction current, okay, compels to move downward and arm CD upward. Okay, the split rings enable the coil to change its terminals alternately, एक के बाद दूसरा। अगर एक नीचे जा रहा है तो अगले इंस्टेंट पे वो ऊपर जाएगा, जो ऊपर जा रहा है वो अगले इंस्टेंट में नीचे जाएगा, इस तरह से अल्टरनेटली। सो इन नेक्स्ट फेज आर्म CD moves downward and AB in upward direction, and thus one directional complete rotation is executed. Okay, I am going to close the camera near to the board so that you can make a perfect view to read the actual fonts. Okay, friends, hopefully you have enjoyed the video. Due to the foundation of time, I am unable to answer every questions. You can make individual questions on my WhatsApp number 9835619106. I have already mentioned in my descriptions of the last the video. Okay, so enjoy, and in next video I will introduce myself with the construction and working for the AC generator. Okay, AC generator or AC dynamo. Thanks, stay tuned. Thank very much for being my